Hey guys, how are you and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another light declutter, and what I'm gonna declutter today it's foundations. I'm not decluttering a lot of them because I already put on my bin a few that I haven't used in a while that I need to keep trying to see if I like them or not, if I'm gonna declutter them or not. But these I'm definitely not keeping for one reason or the other, and I'm gonna tell you. It's 5 foundations and I know who I'm gonna give them to already. One of them it's unused. I tried and used it once, swatched it, didn't like it, so I'm gonna just pass it along. Like I've said before on my realistic light lipstick declutter, I don't get my stuff sent for PR. So whatever I give away or declutter, it's basically my hard-earned money going away. So if I give these products away are for a reason, and I know that I have a lot of foundations, and that's why I put a little bin on my desk to remove the ones that I know that I won't use. But I've given a ton of foundations to my mom this year. I've given foundations to my sisters-in-law. It's just that I wasn't thinking about doing declutters. I always watch Savage declutters, which are super satisfying to watch. It's not my type of thing to do because I don't get my stuff sent for PR. So if you want to see the foundations that I chose to declutter from my collection and the reason why I'm decluttering them, then just keep on watching. Also guys, if you love this look, this is my interpretation and my recreation of the infamous boy beat, and I already have it here on my channel, so I'm gonna leave it linked below for you guys to see or someplace on the screen, and you guys can recreate it. It's super fresh and it's super nice, and you're gonna see me wearing the same shirt because I'm filming 2 videos back to back every day because I'm leaving for Boston and Miami for 3 weeks, so I need to leave a lot of videos filmed for you guys. Okay, so the first one that I have right here is repackaged, and I thought I was gonna use this one more, but this is my Kat Von D foundation, the Lock-It foundation. I tried using this for about a week when I first got it about a year and a half ago, and I ended up not liking it because it's super cakey. It looks disgusting on the face. It makes me look older. It didn't matter if I use the tiniest amount or a lot of foundation or whatever. It just looked messy with the beauty blender, with the sponge. It looks extra heavy, and I love a matte look. I love a full beat. Even if I'm wearing light eyes, I love a full face beat, but this wasn't for me. This looks cakey on me. Maybe my sisters-in-law will love it, but it's just not for me. Another one that I have repackaged because the package broke on me, it's the Milani 2-in-1 06. I've gone to about 2 or 3 shades of this foundation, and I think I finished them last year or the year before that. But this I have is not completely full. It's like halfway or right here. And this shade, one of my sisters-in-law will be able to mix it to get her shade because this is super warm and she's super warm, and she has a few foundations. Some I've given them to her or my mom, and they are pinkier or just super light for her, so she will be able to use this as a mixer, and I know she will appreciate it more. This foundation is nice. It's just that I haven't reached for it in a while, so that's why I'm passing it along. If you're wondering, this is the Naked Skin little inside thing filled with that foundation because I washed it, and since it has a pump and it was good, I put it in here so that I could just pass it on because the container was broken. This one is the L'Oreal True Match in the shade N8 Cappuccino, and since I didn't have a lot of foundations of dark skin color and the True Match is one of my favorite, I was trying to find the colors that I wanted for high-end foundations for my kids, and I was also using these to contour my clients. So I already have another N8 open, and this one I don't want it to go bad on my drawers, so I'm gonna give it to one of my sisters-in-law just to use it as a contour shade, and I know they will love it because the L'Oreal True Match is one of my favorite foundations. So this is basically brand new, but since I have another one open and I don't go through dark foundations enough because I don't wear cream colors for bronzers every day, and for that I just have one product, which is my Milk Makeup bronzer stick. I don't need foundations to do that, so the L'Oreal True Match would be good for her, and I won't feel the guilt of having it in my collection going bad. One more and then I'll be done. This is the Dermacol Makeup Cover foundation. And the thing is that I saw swatches of this and I got it thinking it was gonna be my shade, and I did a review on it even though the shade was completely off. But you can see right here, this is so pink, so pink. So this won't work for me, but one of my sisters-in-law is extremely pale. She's more on the yellow side, but she has a ton of yellowy foundations, and I can give her one of the darker foundations I have to mix it a little bit just to give it a little bit of warmth, and she will make it work because she has a lot of pimples and stuff. And that foundation, you can even use it just to cover your pimples, and it will be amazing because the coverage is insane. I like that foundation, but right now I'm not planning on buying any foundations, even though I have a list of foundations that I want to get, because I have so many that I don't want them to go to waste. So I'm planning on finishing decluttering or just getting rid of 20 foundations this year. And as soon as I do that, I'm able to buy one foundation, because foundation, you don't go through it that quickly. Maybe one every 2 months if you use it every day. And I have about 45 foundations, and I have about 20 foundations on my kit. So I have about 65, 70 foundations total. So I don't need any foundations right now. And the ones on my kit, I don't even get worried about them because I do love them. I do use them, and they pay for a lot of things in my life. So I'm not worried to have a lot of them because I basically use them a ton. And if I repurchase foundations for my kit, then that's super cool because those give me money and those are my income. But the ones that I have for personal use, they're other thing entirely. So that's why I'm getting rid of the Dermacool as well, because I don't get pink tone clients. I live in Colombia. We're mostly yellow, even when we're light, so it's not something, it will go to waste in my collection. And then the last one, this one I just swatched and didn't apply it to my face, but I didn't like the consistency when I swatch it. So if I'm gonna struggle to use it, why not give it away when it's completely full and unused? And this is the Pure Bare It All foundation in the shade Golden Medium, and I think this one would go super nice for Ligia, which is my sister-in-law, the one that has a deeper skin tone, which is a little bit darker than me and more golden. So yeah, this is just for her, and it's new, and she will really love it. So yeah guys, that's it for my realistic foundation declutter. I know you guys are enjoying this because I posted my lipstick one and you guys seem to love it. So I'm gonna just keep doing this. They're just light declutters, but I want to give you thorough reviews and tell you the reasons why I'm getting rid of certain products and that I already found homes for them. Even though I'm not doing a savage declutter, I'm getting rid of stuff, and I guess you guys need to know why. And also, most of these can go hand in hand with products disappointment or products regrets, either because I regret buying them because I shouldn't have a backup, or because I didn't like the formula to begin with, or because I never used them in my collection. So I'm gonna create a playlist doing the declutters and regrets, and that way you guys can see the products that I wouldn't recommend you purchasing and why are my reasons for decluttering them or not wanting to repurchase them. So that's it guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a video. I put out 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and go to my social media. Instagram is basically the only social media platform that I use. Check out my other videos guys and leave me any suggestions for new videos that you want to see on my channel. And I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.